Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Orcas Pear. Orcas Pear is a European pear that comes in a little later than Ubaline, maybe 3 weeks after Ubaline does. We're in mid-September here up in the Pacific Northwest in the San Juan Islands. We're on Lopez Island, but this pear was discovered on Orcas Island. That's where it gets its name, is Orcas Pear. This Orcas Pear, it puts out excellent fruit. We thinned the fruit out on this tree, but the fruit has come out very, very nice, even though it does suffer a little bit from black spot, which you can kind of see here on one of the leaves. Even though a little bit susceptible to this leaf scab, the fruit is it's unblemished. Let's go ahead and when I pick my pears, it's hanging in this direction. I'm gonna pull it off in that direction. If it pulls right off, that means it's ripe. It's a very pretty pear, very large European pear that it's got blush on one side and yellow-green on the side away from the sun. And that's ready to eat. You can continue to let it ripen, but European pears will ripen very quickly if you don't keep an eye on them. Earlier in the week, we had harvested the red claps pear, calla pear, and I brought them in. I was like, hey, we got plenty of time before we have to process these. And before, within 2 days, they were kind of difficult to process because they were so soft. We have a bunch of pears ripening at the same time. Our Otago pear is also ripening. But what we've been doing this summer is dehydrating them. So I think I'll do that with these as well. And we'll show you how we process the pears and what they look like when they're done. This is Orcas Pear. It's a mid-season variety of European pear. If you thin the fruit, it'll get quite large. It's a great pear. Great follow-up to something like Ubaline, which is a similar pear that comes in earlier in the season.